Find the equation of the line with a slope of 2 and crossing the point 1, 4. When you know the slope of the line and one point on the line, you can use the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. So there are three values that you need: m, the slope of the line, x1, the x-coordinate, and y1, the y-coordinate. Plug these values into the point-slope form. We get y minus 4 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1. Distribute the value of the slope on the right. So we get y minus 4 equals 2x minus 2 times 1. Simplifying further, we get y minus 4 equals 2x minus 2. Now all we need to do is remove this term from the left. So we need to add 4 to both sides of the equation, and we get y equals 2x minus 2 plus 4. Simplifying, we get y equals 2x, and then minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. So the equation in slope-intercept form is y equals 2x plus 2, which is the equation of the line that passes through this point.